The Toyota CHR is back, and it's way different and more expensive than it was before. Now, this new all-electric CHR is best thought of as a shrunk, segment-down variant of the existing Toyota BZ crossover, which means that, yes, it does ride on the same platform, has the same all-electric powertrain, battery, and charge speed, though the CHR's smaller footprint does mean it gets slightly better range. Now, the CHR's $38,450 starting price does make it more expensive than the base BZ, though it comes both better equipped and with dual motors, all-wheel drive, while still being just a little bit cheaper than the dual motor BZ. Which is right for you, CHR or BZ? Well, it really comes down to a question of exterior, interior, and cargo dimensions, because while the CHR is a whole size down on the BZ, and the BZ is not really a semi-truck to begin with, you should really make sure that the CHR's semi-itty-bitty profile works for your lifestyle. Now, Toyota's billing this as a bit of a performance-oriented electric crossover, not so much. Speed here is merely a side effect of the fact that it has a 300-plus horsepower electric drivetrain. So it's moderately fun to drive. It's quick enough with all that instant electric torque, but overall, just approach this as a nice, smooth driving electric crossover that around town is going to be just perfect, and you can have a little bit of fun on the on-ramp. Now on the interior, this is comes in two specs, and this is the XSE. It's loaded, and it's got all the bells and whistles, so it's a pretty nice place to spend the time when you're not blasting down an on-ramp. Generally, I do like the new Toyota CHR, but it is kind of tricky to figure out just who this is for. As far as I can work out, this is aimed at somebody who really does like what the dual motor BZ offers, but can't quite swing the extra cash. Now, I do have a really hard time believing folks are going to be snapping these things up based on its dynamic capabilities, regardless of what Toyota says. Really, in that regard, I think you're going to be better off going with the single motor front wheel drive BZ and saving that extra $3,000. Generally speaking, though, Toyota's EV lineup is pretty sparse at the moment, so this is a solid entry to a very competitive segment and rounds everything out real nice. Oh, hey, if you like what you saw here, you should definitely subscribe. We got a lot more stuff coming your way.